Hey everyone, it's Gagan here, and you all are welcome at Inside Diggers. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy peasy DIY wall hanging slash poster which anyone can make. It's quite easy and it's quite inexpensive. You would be needing few basic things. So without any further ado, let's just start the video. So we need a black chart paper, a white chart paper, pencil, eraser, scale, and a big piece of ribbon, cutter, and of course black markers or sketch pens, whatever you have. I will be using these calligraphy pens. It has a kind of slanting tip which makes it so easy to write with them. These come in three sizes: 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. So I have cut this black chart paper into three equal parts. Well, I have not followed any strict measurements. I just cut them into the size which I think would be perfect for the wall where I want to hang it. Still, I would mention the measurements I followed on the screen so that you guys can get an idea about the size that would be perfect for you. Similarly, I have cut the white chart paper into three equal parts, but I have kept it a little short than the black ones. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to write some positive thoughts on these white charts. If you are comfortable, you can write directly with a marker, or else you can write with a pencil and then with a marker. Whatever way is comfortable for you, feel free to do that. I am more comfortable with markers, so I am writing directly with a marker. I have drawn lines with a pencil so that my letters are in alignment, so that they won't go up and down. However, I have played with letters, like mix and matching with small and capital letters. You can choose fonts according to your preference. Since I'm using calligraphy pens, so I have kept it simple. Here I am making some emojis to make it more interesting and beautiful. You can skip that if you want to. It would still look nice. You can see the pencil marks here. I have drawn this with pencil first, and now I am drawing with the marker. So here we are done with some beautiful quotes. And now the second last step is, now we have to paste these white charts on black ones. After spreading glue on white charts, paste them carefully on the center of the black chart. I took a piece of ribbon and made a U of that, a long U. Here I am placing the glue on the ribbon where I feel the poster will look good, and leaving 5 inches in between. Again I am doing the same thing. Make sure you are placing the charts exactly beneath the previous one, or else you will ruin the symmetry and your chart will look like a zigzag chart, which won't look a good one. So this is the final look, guys. I found these stickers in my drawer, so I just pasted them on empty places. And please ignore the wire. I couldn't find any light because since morning there is no light, and I am just showing you where I could find the light. So please ignore the wire and tell me in the comment section, do you like this quick DIY or not? I also made these ones with similar procedure. It's just I kept these sort of rectangular. Do let me know which one you like the most. That's it guys, I hope you like the video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.